What's up, y'all? We back at it with another one. First off, hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed day. And let's get into today's topic. Now, today I want to talk about books and why you should be and why you should be reading books. All right, the government, society, they don't want you to read books. Nah, no, that sounds crazy. Cause in school they make you read books. But think about it. In school, what do they make you read? Give me a sec. In school, they make you read shit like this, right? Y'all niggas in high school, especially if you go to the high school I went to, you read this shit, you read this shit, even though this was kind of fire, I ain't even gonna lie. Probably read this shit, I don't know what the fuck this is just a random book. But yeah, them books is trash, bro. We don't like books because society and school made us not like books, okay? And a lot of people don't read books because they think that they have to be intelligent to read books. Listen, intelligence is just what you make of it. Intelligence is the ability to attain knowledge. Now, no one's born intelligent, okay? You have to make intelligence. So, what you want to do is you want to get books that you're interested in. You want to get shit like this. Biography of Jimi Hendrix. Stained this from the library. I don't even care. Look, stained it from the library, bro. It's mine now. I ain't even in high school no more. I'm gonna get shit like this. I ain't finna throw this because this book is fire. Alright? Motherfucking, hold on. Yeah. I'm on that. Think and Grow Rich. Yeah. Autobiography of a Yogi. Yeah. The 80-20 principle. Yeah. The Millionaire Mind. Yeah. Selling for Dummies. Yeah, I ain't no dummy, but shit, I can sell motherfuckers. So, my point is that reading books ain't something that's like lame. It's not something. See, these are all just labels. These are all just society standards. These are all just subconscious mind type shit. So, like, reading books makes you realize more about life. Like, for example, Autobiography of a Yogi. This book teaches you a lot about Indian culture and like the yogi lifestyle. Like Paramount Yogananda was a real ass nigga, bro. I'm not gonna cap. And this book teaches you about manifestation, like spirituality, like a bunch of shit, bro. Like this shit, it gets deep. Sometimes it gets really fucking deep, bro. It's a great book. See, I'm not even done with this, bro. I'm not reading every single day, every night, even though you should read every single day. 10 pages a day is what I'm going to start striving for, but I'm not going crazy with it. You know, I'm still doing my thing. You feel me? Like, I'm not going crazy with it. I ain't even read this much of this book. I think I'm on like the second chapter. I ain't even on my book shit like that. But my point really is that you gotta start being on your book shit like that, because it's like attaining knowledge is intelligence. Intelligence is attaining knowledge. You know what I'm saying? Intelligence ain't just oh no. Oh, never mind. So listen, and like there's a lot we can learn from YouTube, but like books, it's more in a concentrated form instead of that quick little 10-minute form. Because, you know, if you didn't know, YouTubers, they gotta make their videos like 10-30 minutes or something, like 10 to 8 minutes, because usually people don't watch throughout the entire video, so you kind of gotta make it short, but you gotta make it long enough for the ads to be in there, if y'all didn't know. So my point with that is, like, people don't make long videos. They might make a book review about something, but they don't really go in depth. You gotta attain your own information. Plus, with every book and every person, it resonates differently with you. So I might highlight something in Think and Grow Rich, which is something you just skimmed over because you didn't resonate with it. If you get what I'm saying, like I'll read something and I'll be like, damn, this resonates hard with me. You read something and you just like, it's whatever. It doesn't resonate with you, and that's all right. That's okay. My point with that is, whoo, it's hotter than a mother, bro. It's hotter than a mother. Bro, I had to take off my shirt. It's hotter than a motherfucker up in here, bro. I ain't gonna cap. It's like 75 in October. That shit crazy. I like it, but that shit crazy. Pick up books like this for dummies. Anything you interested in, pick it up. So I'm gonna get real estate for dummies. I'm gonna get a bunch of these ones. Astrology for dummies. They make so many of these bitches, and they just it breaks useful information down to a level that you can understand. Into looking into words and reading, and if you're not into like actually buying books, then that's fine, because you can fucking look it up on YouTube. Like, I've been looking at this one book called Artist Seduction by I think Robert Greene or some shit like that. Yeah, bro, like there's a 9-hour audio of that book just on. Now, I recommend reading because you can keep the information. It's easier to keep the information in your head when you read it and when you highlight it. So that's another thing. If you're reading books, bro, highlight that shit. Highlight any information that resonates with you, any information that sticks out with you, because you're gonna read these books again. Like, I know I'm gonna read Think and Grow Rich again, like, for sure. I know I'm probably gonna read this book again. What I like to do, or what I'm going to do, because I haven't finished any of these fucking books, sadly enough, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna read the whole book, and then, like, throughout my life, I always buy hardcovers, because I know I'm gonna keep these books throughout my life. So throughout my life, I'm just gonna, read like chapter 12. Just read all of chapter 12, be like, all right, because you forget information from time to time. So my point with this video is, to sum it up, is read your books. You know what I'm saying? It's not lame. You don't have to be smart to read books. That's another thing. They say you got to be smart to read books, bro. You're looking at words. You're reading words. Like, you read Instagram captions, you can read a fucking book, right? That's what I think. But yeah, you read Instagram captions, I think you can read a book. You read Snapchat captions, I think you can read a book. You read YouTube titles, you can read a book, bro. You read every day, so why not just extend those periods of reading, bro? Get that knowledge, get what you need. You don't have to get no lame ass motherfucking The Great Gatsby or any shit like that, even though I kind of fuck with The Great Gatsby, I ain't gonna lie. But you ain't gotta get no lame ass shit like that, just shit that you just not interested in. Some Titanic shit like that, fuck all that. Get books that you are interested in. Get books and start off slow. See what I did? I bought like I went ham. Alright, I went ham. Probably thumbnail right here, motherfucker. I went ham for no reason. Okay, so start off with a book that you fuck with, a book that you resonate with, and yeah, start off slow. You don't have to only get books that's all knowledgeable and all that. Get shit like this. Autobiography of Jimi Hendrix. Every book you read, you learn something. Every video you watch, you learn something. Okay, so it don't have to just be don't gotta just be Think and Grow Rich or books like that, like personal development books. It can just be Autobiography of Jimi Hendrix. You feel me? Shit like that. I really hope you guys resonated with the words I spoke on today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that. And free consultations on Instagram like always. Daily videos like always. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.